To remove the rear view mirror in the new S-Class, you need some aids and tools. First, turn off the ignition. With the help of a plastic card in credit card format, you can unlock the overhead control panel control unit. For stability, you can also use 2 plastic cards. With that, the electrical connections are accessible and can be disconnected. Carefully unclip the cover of the rain light sensor and remove downwards. Next, there's a small cover on the mirror. Then disconnect the electrical connection of the rear view mirror. With a wrench, turn the mirror to the right. Then remove the rear view mirror from the holder by moving the connector through the opening. Installation is in the reverse order.